How to customize menu in Wix Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and customize menu inside your Wix Studio. Menus are super important. They are how visitors move around your website, find what they need, and have a smooth experience. The cool things about Wix Studio is that it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can create a multiple menus, anchor menus, and those ones that scroll down to different part of the page, that is called anchor menus, and even a different menus for mobile and desktop views. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply let's add a menu to our page. Now what you have to do before doing that, you have to log in into Wix Studio. I am using Wix Studio because it gives a lot of flexibility. Now if you are in the Wix standard, you can change that from Wix standard to Studio. Just type Wix Studio into your browser and something will appear in front of you. Now what you have to do is just simply select your site. Now I have already created a site which look like this. So for example, I don't have any menus. What I will do, I will just simply click on the add element button over here, scroll down a little bit and go into menus and searches and drag. So if you zoom out over here, you will get to see this menus option where you can find vertical menus, anchor menus, hamburger menus. So you can find it. Now I will choose for this tutorial vertical menu for this slide. Now so if I have, for example, now right now I think for example I have this three menus where three pages. This is a feature, pricing, FAQ. For example, click on the manage menus. So here, from here you can manage your pages and menus pages. Now what you can do, if you want to add another item over here, you can create a main pages or dynamic and app pages. You can link and you can create a drop down as well. I'll choose main page. Now for example, they have lot of I have created a lot of things. Now what I will do, just simply accessibility statement, click on the apply. It will add that page into menu. So if you want to create a sub menu, for example I want to create a sub menu sub page. What I will do, I will just simply so if you ask what is a sub menu, so basically those title drop downs you see when you hover over a menu item in the manage menu. You can just drag that page into your, for example, I will just simply click on the drag it. I have to drag it. Don't drag from here. You have to click on this blue dots and put over here. As you can see, we got the marker. So we created a sub menu over here. For example, whenever I hover on accessibility and statement, something will the list kind of will appear. So this is a basic sub menu. You can create a second layer to you can create as much as you want. For example, now let's rename the reorder. If you want to rename your reorder, you can just simply drag and drop. It will change the position of the pages. Now if you want to change the menus design and font size, what you can do is just simply click on the cross, again go into menu and click on the settings. Now over here, if you want to give an animation to your menu, you can give from just clicking on the setting. Now if you after giving an animation, you can go to layouts, from where you can manage your layout, menu type, or if you want hamburger option of menu, you can just simply click on it. Now let's change the font of the menu. In the right size, you can manage the size, the responsive behavior, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this text. Now from here you can change the font of this menu, and yes, here we go, we have successfully changed. Now if you want to increase the font size, you can increase that too. Like this one is looks good. I'm not good at designing, but you will get the idea. Now if you want to make a character, if you want to give a character spacing, you can give that too by just increasing this option. Now lining spacing should be automatic. Now if you go into border, you can see the border pixels. You can customize the border as well, so you didn't need to go into that deep. Now if you want to give a background color, you can give a background. If you want to add images to your menu's background, you can add that too. Now this is a alignment. So if you want to align this menu on the right side, you can align. I will choose for this tutorial in the center, I guess. Center would be great. Okay, this looks good. So yeah, this is good. So yeah, now let's get the preview. For example, click on this icon. Now as you can see here, we got our menu. So I was talking about this sub menu where whenever I hover on this, something will appear like this. Now let's go back and edit size. Let's edit for the mobile, and if you go into tablets, you will get to see this burger menu. So the burger menu is by default for the tablet. If you go into mobile, so it is also is back on a default by default menu, so you don't need to add another menu into your mobile. So let's preview it, how it looks like. So whenever I click, it will something will appear something like this. So whenever I click on the accessibility and for example accessibility and statement, the drop down will appear, and as you can see, we got our sub menu in under the accessibility statement. So you can customize the button style so it is easy to see. Just go back into edit size, click on the button, and from here you can manage the setting, and you can manage the icon as well. Replace icon, click on the replace icon. So from here you can choose the icon of your menu. For example, I will choose this one. Click on the add page, it will add the icon. Now if you want to give an animation, you can give that to the mobile. Now if you want to adjust how the menu opens, you can adjust that too. Now so if you want to different set of links for mobile, maybe for favor pages, you can create a new menu just for mobile and click on manage site menus and create a new menu. Now that's it. This is how you can use menus into your website. And that if you go into preview, let's click on this, so it will open. As you can see here, the animation is good. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.